My name is Jeffrey, and I've smoked for 15 years. I waited until I got a little older to start smoking. But then, my clothes, my kids were telling me, Dad, you need to stop smoking. My clothes started smelling like smoke. My house started smelling like smoke. Everything smelled like smoke. I couldn't smell it, of course. I put a little cologne on, thought I was smelling good, and I was smelling like a cologne pack of cigarettes. But at some point in time in my life, I decided enough is enough, and I made a choice to stop smoking. You will need that hotline for your resources. It's right there when those triggers trigger, because they will trigger, and it'll be all kinds of things that trigger. You'd be surprised. I couldn't have did it without that help hotline. You guys were the greatest, and I would support that effort and let people know. You got to do it in conjunction. You don't have to be by yourself, because that's a tough monkey to get off your back. I'm outstanding. I feel great. Yeah, I'm loving life today. And if I could help anybody stop smoking, that's my job in life now. Now is the time to quit. Call 1-800-QUIT-NOW.